welcome back to my channel. So recently I got a litter of 5 puppies, and today I'm going to be telling you how I prepare their food. So first of all, we're gonna boil rice and put it into a blender. We're gonna put half of the rice into a blender, and then we're going to take our water and pour it into the blender, and then we're gonna start blending. We're gonna take the cover and cover it. Little by little, we're going to be adding our water. Okay, then we're gonna leave this. We're gonna take a can of puppy food and warm it up. So here is the puppy food. We're gonna mash it up. Okay, I guess this is okay. Now we're gonna add in the rice. And guys, that is how I make my puppy food. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and share. Thank you.